So guys, today I have a car of the Cherry International. In this car, the one key is working and one key is not working. So I am programming now the remote key. So how to program it? As you can see in the scan tool, first of all, I connect the scan tool. I go to the immobilizer. First we test the how much the key is programmed in the system. So now we will come in this page. We will go to the read data stream and emo status. So we check how much the key is learned. So as you can see here, number of the key was learned only one. So as you can know, in all the cars, every car they have two keys. So in this car the issue is one key is programmed and one is not programmed. So I have two keys. I will show you here. One is this one and one is this one. So this one is working, this is working. When you open the ignition, as you can see here, this one is working. So we will program the new one, this one. This is not working. So let's start the video. We will go back. We'll go to the special function. So we go to the key match. We go to the key match. Okay, now I have a new key. If you have an old key, you can learn from the here, learn old key. So now I brought a new key because in this car they have lost one key. So I put this key on the here in the cup holder. As you can see here, there is a symbol of the key. So I put this key here like this, and then I start the function how to program the key. So this key is the new one, the new key. Just wait for the second, and they are telling you please confirm whether you want to carry out the option. Yes. Okay, this is also a big issue. Some many of cars they have pins. So I have the original scanner, so I don't need any pins. So I connect with the online. I put the internet. So this is telling us this is the win number is same. Yeah, the win number is same, correct. So we will wait for 5 seconds. So now the key is added, as you can see, successfully to added new key. So we press OK. Okay, now we will check. We off the ignition. Now I off the ignition. I take out the key. This is the new one. We will test. As you can see, the key is working now. So this is the other key. We check both. This is also working. So this is now lock. We unlock from here. Yeah, both are working.